guess he didn't come back out.
That's pretty sad. Man, I really wanted to get it. Hey, come on. I dare you to go in there and be like, hey, my phone wants your number. I dare you. Double dog dare you.
Do you dare me?
I dare you. Go in there. You need a piece of paper?
Yeah, give me a piece of paper. We're gonna get that guy's number because he's sort of cute. I don't want it though. It's probably straight. Oh my god.
You need a piece of paper?
Yes, and a pen.
Okay, let me get the pen.
How else am I gonna do this? Just write it on my arm. Watch him be like, I have a girlfriend.
I know, it'll still be funny though. You should do it on that. Go.
No, you can, I'll hold the door open.
Come on.
Excuse us. It's okay. Ow!
See, my friend wants it, goddamn! She said I'm
Oh, God.
do it, Carla!
I've already been in there twice. No, I go in there and the girl looks at it, she's like, do you want to order something? I'm like,
Be like, hey, can I talk to that guy real quick?
no. And then he was like, and then he wasn't facing me. So that's why like, we
Why
like,
is my car coming on? The keys aren't permitted!
people gathered around outside.
Go!
I'm not gonna get his number.
Go, get it!
Mm-mm.
Get it!
Mm-mm.
Go!
I want it.
So ask him if he has an email.
Hey, what's your aim?
I like it. Shut the fuck up!
I hate that song. Change it.
I'm Get it!
Roll down the windows. That'll help start the car. You can't get the key.
Hit the fucking key. Shut the fuck up. Nobody cares about your amour.
Are they in?
I don't know.
I keep feeling the windows go up on my head. Why can't you get him in there?
Oh my god, I don't know where I go. I'm thinking about my fucking keys. I can't get in my car.
Are they in now? Oh, your nachos are so
Are they gone?
No.
Oh my fucking god, there's gonna be beans everywhere.
You know you like them. That's what you get for coming to Taco Bueno.
I love Taco Bueno.
He says that like a fat person. I love Taco
Are you coming back?
No, you say it like a... No. You're like, I love Taco Bueno.
Shit in my fucking hazard.
Why can't you get it in there?
I don't know. Stop! Nobody cares. Turn off. I hate my car.
He's crying. Okay.
I hate you. It won't go in.
Why won't it go in? I mean, are you sure it's the right key? That's supposed to be like, Andy, sweetheart.
My key won't go in my car. Why's my car on?
We're stuck at Taco Bueno because Andy can't get her keys in there. Let's go ask cute guy for...
No. Can you just...
His name's Manson. I kind of noticed his name tag.
Like Marilyn Manson. Go ask him for his number.
I don't want a number. I don't need a number.
No, go.
I don't want...
Just go. go!
You said you can get it by yourself. Andie's trying to prove she can get his number.
I'm a lesbian. I have a boyfriend. Just go get it!
I don't need it.
Fucking car.
He did compliment my burp, though.
That was nice. He wants you. Just go be like...
He wants to, yes. He complimented my
Go
burp.
be like, hey, my friend wants your number.
Here's a pet. Here's a pink Hello Kitty pet. And
Hello Kitty, my ass.
Isn't it Hello Kitty?
No, it's just pink. It cost me $1 at Target.
He's like, I know what I bought.
Dang it, the key won't go in.
Why don't you break the key?
It sounds like a plan. Then it'll go in, right? We're gonna be fucking stuck here.
Oh my god. Alright, let the Mexican have a try at this.
God. You know how to hot wire, right?
I don't know, semi. Okay, which
He's
one's
so mean.
Which one's the key?
The square one.
This one. Okay.
How do you zoom in?
You can't.
Why not?
Not when it's already recording.
Why?
Because, I don't know. Ah, I see.
Did you get it?
Hmm.
Do you have a vagina?
Is it in there?
I don't know, is it?
I know it went in. Is it in there?
I don't know, but like, I was no.
Andie's car is like not cooperating. Did you get it? Is it going? Oh. Is it gonna go? We're moving!
Oh, what's the consequence of the
I thought we were moving, and I'm like, we're moving! We're gonna crash into the taco boy now.
You're taking my bit! Close the damn box! It's time for us to go home, I think. I can't believe I forgot to put my... How long has the emergency brake been on? I didn't turn it off.
Did it crash into the curb?
Yeah.
Loser.
Wait a minute, let me restart it.
Why? Watch, you can't get the key back in there.
I can't.
Okay.
It wasn't all the way in there.
Alright.
I'm serious, go off the first number.
I want his number.
Go get it.
I'm not gonna go get Manson's number.
Imagine him booty bumping you.
No, I'm okay. He's cute and all, but I'm alright. I'm set. Thanks.
I want his number.
Well, you go get it. I'm not your little number getter. The cops are over there. I'm gonna tell them, I'm like, ma'am, this is a cheater.
Illegal.
This